Welcome to another episode of Willis Talk. Today we're reviewing video only, located on Lancaster Dr in Salem, Oregon. Let's go on in and take a look at what they've got. They say they got Sony, RCA, Boss, Samsung, and LG, and Yamaha. Which is your favorite brand? Let me know down in the comments. Let's go on in. Saturday, Monday through Saturday, they're open 10 to 8, and Sunday 10 to 6.
What's going on, dude?
Filming for Willis Talk, showing people of Salem what is around Salem.
Okay.
And they even got cameras in here. Let's keep it down because it echoes. It's playing Smurfs. Huge area. Let's start with the case over here. DVD players. So they got them too. Oh, they got lots more brands. They got Demon. I've never heard of that. Look at that TV screen. Wow, the definition. These are Samsungs. Excuse me, sir, ma'am.
Anything we can help you out with, sir?
Oh, me? I'm just filming for Willis Talk. They have speakers too. Surround sounds, probably, for your TV. So you can come here and get everything you need. Just less crowded than Best Buy, if that's one of your concerns. In case you don't like them out of the box, they got a lot of them in the box too. And look at that. Now there is something extraordinarily unique. Fit your frame to your decor. And that's located here on Lancaster, this store. So you don't have to have your TV not matching your decor or looking a little out of place. Frames for the walls, more DVD players, Blu-ray players. Yeah. Stands even. Remember when TVs used to stand on their own without extra attachments? Okay, now I'm showing my age. And it looks like must be a switch they need to flip. Well, in general, I would say that this is a good place to come and purchase your TV stand and etc. if you want to do it all in one shot. And then you have even more down that direction. That's this end of this episode of Willis Talks Review. If you like anything, I would strongly suggest you come on down and give them your business. This is Willis, out.